Hey, what up, you guys? It's your boy Frankie, CALI Active TV, right here with the girls, Steph. Just show it real quick. It is my mother-in-law's birthday today, so we're gonna go celebrate with her, see who shows up, see if there's nephews, aunts, uncles who come by. Try to get a little bit of footage for you guys. Got a lot of product out right now. Been doing a lot of photo shoots, a lot of collabs with a lot of people. It's been really good. I just want to thank you guys for all your support. Probably by the time you guys see this, I might already have a raffle, but I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna have one for 2,500 followers, and then I'm almost at 3,000, so probably gonna have to have another one, right? But yeah, we're prepping and getting ready for Group North County Car Show in Fallbrook in July. It's an amazing show. I think that's all we have. It's also my birthday weekend that weekend, so that's probably gonna be a 3-day bender, blender, mender. It's gonna be fun. 4th of July is coming up next weekend, so hopefully we do something that weekend too. I mean, 4th of July is on a Friday, so we'll see how it goes. So thank you guys for watching and always supporting us, and stay tuned because, well, no, by then I think I have some funny videos of me and Steph, so we're back. So I know you guys are excited for that because Stephanie is comedy gold.